In this video, you'll learn how to create a notes database in Notion. By following these steps, you will successfully set up a personalized notes database to organize your information efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. This ensures that you access Notion with full compatibility and functionality. Once the browser is open, proceed to the next step. Navigate to the Google homepage by typing www.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will allow you to search for Notion and other relevant resources seamlessly. After the page loads, you will be ready to continue. Next, access Notion by entering www.notion.soa in the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the Notion homepage. Ensure you're logged into your account to proceed without interruptions. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to gain access. Once on the Notion homepage, locate the drop-down menu. This can typically be found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this menu will reveal various options and templates available to you. After opening the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. This will direct you to a page featuring a variety of templates that can enhance your workspace. You should see a grid of templates displayed for selection. In the template section, type Notes Database into the search bar to find relevant templates. This search will help you discover various Notes database templates that can suit your needs. Once the results appear, take a moment to review them. Next, click on the option labeled Seal 100 to explore the complete list of available Notes database templates. This action will lead you to an extensive selection, providing you with more choices to consider for your notes database. After browsing through the templates, find one that stands out to you and click on the highlighted option to view its details. This will allow you to see how the template is structured and whether it fits your requirements. Once you've selected a template, click on the Add button to incorporate it into your workspace. This process will initiate the addition of the template to your Notion account, allowing you to customize it further. After adding the template, you may encounter a prompt asking if you want to skip. Just get template. Click this option to proceed without additional steps, streamlining the setup process. Next, click on the Notes Hub link to enter the newly added database. This will take you directly to your Notes database where you can start organizing your notes as needed. After entering the Notes Hub, you can rename the database, click on the title area and type Notes Database to give it a clear and identifiable name. This step is essential for maintaining organization in your workspace. You have now successfully created your notes database in Notion. This database will serve as a central location for all your notes, making it easier to manage and retrieve information when needed.